hands down. Stand is, attention. Stand is, attention. Left up. Forward up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand is, attention. Stand is, attention. Left up. Forward up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand is, attention. Stand is, attention. Now the legendary racing on the stand.
and very warm good morning to respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's Miss Freya Milan from grade 5 standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic of time. Before we start my topic, I want to thank the teachers community of all work which has certain development and of program which will increase the confidence level of the students. Now my topic goes like this cow. Cow is national animal. It is also a domestic animal. It is very not just an animal. Cow has four eyes, 2 ears, 2 rounded nose, and a long tail. Cow is herbivorous animal. It gives us milk to us. We can make curd, cheese, butter with help of milk. A cow likes to eat grass. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to all respected principal sir, principal sir, respected teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all may listen, this means I'm right from grade 9 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of important of study. Now my topic goes like this. Study is very important for our life. By studying, we can get success in our future. If you not study now, you will not success in your life. Study is important for our personal life also, as it helps us to get common knowledge of certain specific topics. At last, I have to say that study is very important for our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all respected principals, sir, vice principals, sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of agriculture in Nepal. Agriculture is the backbone of development in Nepal. Majority of development is dependent on agriculture. More than 90% people are involved in agriculture. Uh, Mainly in Tarai region, agriculture is followed. At last, I want to say that agriculture is important and base of the Nepal. Thank you.